Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Got a large soft style here. See, it got a little dye on it somehow, but that's okay. We don't care. This one's going to be a pastel spiral, so we're going to start a basic spiral pattern, just like that. Start twisting it on. Yep. Just twist around. We're going to band it up nice. Like so. Good. Simple tie-dye. We're going to be doing some more complex stuff coming up, don't worry. We've got all sorts of new stuff on the way to help us tie-dye that we're going to be unveiling soon. But you'll have to wait about 2 to 3 more episodes. Okay. Good to go. I probably put too many bands on it, yes I know, but I don't care. I like it well secured. To the dyeing rack. See you there. Time to throw some color on it. Like I said earlier, pastel spirals. So it's just going to be hot pink. I'm going to do my usual swoosh from the center. Swoosh from the center. Dribble. A little bit of lemon yellow. If you're wondering why the missus hasn't been doing the dyes, she's been a little under the weather lately, but she's getting better. She's almost back to good to go. And she'll be doing your tie-dyes once again. She's all good now. So some lemon yellow. Then get a little bit right here for our gradient. Some glacier blue. Yeah. I'll put a little more pink on there, so I'll leave that open for the glacier, for the pink. So all told on this one, we have hot pink, lemon yellow, and glacier blue. Simple 3-color. I'm gonna mix them good, get a good gradient going on. Put a little more pink in there and get that gradient fired up nice. Time for the flop. Hot pink. Hot pink. Get it in there good. Some lemon yellow. Glacier blue. Sorry for all the background noise, people. We live in the city. Look at that. Doesn't that make some beautiful color? gonna call that ready for the drying rack. So we shall head there now. Top shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.